Ankita from class 5th C. My story name is A Magical Vacation. Before starting this story, let us know about adjective and pronoun. So what is an adjective? Adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. For example, the house is big. Big is an adjective and the house is a noun. So the big is describing the house. Let's go ahead. So what is a pronoun? The pronoun is a word that replaces noun in our sentence to make it more efficient. For example, Shreya is my sister. She is very efficient. She is very pretty. She is very good girl. She is monitor of her class. She, he, they, him, all, they all are pronouns. So let's start today's story. Riya and her charming brother Rohan spend their delightful vacations at their grandparents' picturesque farm. She loved to feed the adorable chickens and he loved to ride on majestic horses. On a sunny day, they decided to explore the lush near the wood together. Riya picked some beautiful flowers and Rohan caught colorful butterflies. As a golden sunset, they sat by the serene river and watching the twinkling stars. Some come to our life. It was a truly magical time, fulfilled with joyful laughter and thrilling adventures. Moral of the story: quality time with loved ones create lifelong memories. Adjectives from the story are charming, delightful, twinkling, colorful, beautiful, majestic, adorable, sunny, and golden. And pronouns are she requires to Riya and he requires to Rohan and they requires to the both siblings Riya and Rohan. Thank you.